Hello! If you are looking for a freestanding toilet paper holder with an extra shelf on top, then you'll definitely want to hear about this one. So the brand gifted it to me in exchange for my honest review. So the thing I love about the stand, it was very easy to put together. The whole process I think took me like around 10 minutes and instruction was very clear. Here I can show you how to put together this freestanding toilet paper stand. I love how easy it is because it's only 3 bolts, 2 for the bottoms and 1 for top. I started by putting together these 2 poles by hand. Then I put a screw in the bottom first pole and tightened it with a screwdriver. I did the same with the second pole for the bottom. It assembles very easy. After that, I put a top, starting by putting a screw first and tighten it up with a screwdriver. And in the end, I put these rubber stoppers so the stand does not slide. Just simply press them down on each corner. So what I love about this toilet paper holder, it's a freestanding. It has capacity for 1 toilet paper on the top and 3 extras on the bottom. And I also love this top shelf because you can use it maybe for your phone. You can put some magazines over there. I have a Kleenex over here. You can put some wipes. Here on a stand, so we can put 1, 2, 3 rolls and 1 on the top. And we can put the wipes. So after having this toilet paper stand for a couple of days in my guest bathroom, I realized that a lot of my friends like to use the top shelf for their phones or maybe put their rings on while they're washing their hands. Overall, I love functionality and I love the look of this holder. So if you're looking for an extra space for your toilet paper and put some of your bathroom essentials, I highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.